blinatumomab is now arguably the standard of care in most children and adults with B-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia. While it wasn't studied in NCI high-risk patients with BALL in a randomized trial, based on the results in infants, standard risk BALL, adults with BALL, and in relapse, in our opinion, patients with NCI high-risk ALL also should be treated with blinatumomab. There's a lot of questions for the future. Which patients are most likely to benefit from blinatumomab? We currently risk stratify patients based on disease biology, but the patients who are likely to respond to chemotherapy with or without radiation may be very different from the patients who respond or don't respond when blinatumomab is added into therapy. We also don't know the number of cycles to give. As I mentioned before, all those trials gave between 1 and 4 cycles. We don't know the optimal length of cycles of blinatumomab. There's been some studies coming out, some presenting at ASH, suggesting that 2 weeks of blinatumomab may be better than 4 weeks because of impact on T-cell exhaustion. Blinatumomab does not cross into the CNS. So as we're using more blinatumomab and taking away more chemotherapy, it's important that we make sure that patients don't have more CNS relapses and we give appropriate prophylaxis to the CNS. And we really don't know the impact of giving blinatumomab in the front line on what that will do to blinatumomab responses in relapse. Ultimately, though, I think we're entering a new era over the next 5 to 10 to 20 years where patients with BALL can be cured without chemotherapy at all.